Good evening. Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, the last of the heavy rain should start to break up tomorrow as Cyclone Nusi commences its pilgrimage into southern Pacific waters, opening up the tropics to a period of intense heat and humidity. Temperatures today across the Darling Downs. We had only 26 at Toowoomba after a low of 20, and the humidity's low, but the rainfalls last night were up to 80 millimetres in some places. Let's have a look at the satellite loop now. Firstly, we've got tropical cyclone Nusi. It started to get mobile, moving quickly south towards Lord Howe Island. It's been downgraded to Cat 2. Probably be down to Cat 1 by this time tomorrow before it commences its transition into an extratropical low. Lots of storms still occurring across Queensland. On today's chart, the upper levels really are the main instigating factor. There's still a big upper low that you can't see on this chart sitting on top, producing these big storms. There's also a monsoon trough crossing the tropical coast and merging into the cyclone. On tomorrow's chart, the upper level low clears the coast. Storms should start to break, but as the monsoon trough drops, westerlies start to encroach upon the tropics, making for extreme heat wave conditions, and that'll continue for several days. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast, we've got a 60% chance of showers tomorrow. We could have possible storms. 28 degrees for Kingaroy, 29 at Dalby, 25 for Toowoomba, and for Warwick 27. And for the southeast coast, we've got some heavy rain forecast, but storms will be easing. 28 the top from Maroochydore, 28 at Brisbane and Gatton 29. Looking ahead now for Toowoomba, we've got continuing hot weather, but getting warmer as we head into Sunday, then cooling down again. And for Warwick, it's the same. We do have the propensity for rain over the next couple of days, but not as heavy as we've seen. It'll pick up again next week. And again for Dalby, some hot weather coming up in the wake of the cyclone, up to 34 degrees on Sunday, then tapering off again. Thought I'd take advantage of this dreadful humidity to explain what humidity actually means. The atmosphere is filled with invisible moisture. The hotter the air, the more moisture it can hold. That's why the heaviest rain falls in the tropics. Now, when the air is saturated to full capacity and bleeds water drops, we say its humidity is 100%. This usually happens during the cool mist of dawn. Oddly enough, humidity drops as the day warms up. 50% doesn't mean less moisture. It means the warmer air has double the room to hold the same moisture, so its percentage of fullness goes down. So humidity's down when the temperature's up and vice versa. Not what you'd think. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having your company. See you tomorrow. And just a reminder, if you did miss anything or you'd like to catch something again, you can see our replay over on 7/2 from 6:30. From all of us here, good night. Good night.